Okay guys, so let me show you what is polymorphism. Okay, first of all, save this and close this, and now just create a new file, polymorphism dot py. Okay, so write a class, and that is a part name called bulbul, and define the fly self, the self. Okay, print bulbul can fly. Okay, just copy that and type over here and type swim, and it also can swim. Okay, so the bulbul is can bulbul swim, and it also can fly. But what about the ostrich? It can't swim or fly, right? Ostrich. Okay, can't, cannot fly, cannot swim. Okay, the ostrich can swim. Okay, so let's give this swim, but the bulbul can't swim. Okay, so this cannot swim. Okay, so what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means we have to define a interface, and the interface is going to add up the method dot fly and the bird dot swim. Okay, so this is a common interface for both of them. Okay, so I'm going to call this object. First we call bulbul, and second we are going to call the ostrich. After that I am going to give this common interface into our bulbul, so the bulbul will fly and it also swim. Okay, if I save this and run python polymorphism.py. Okay, so you see that bulbul can fly but cannot swim, because we are defining into the object. Okay, if I type this into object1 and save this and just run this, so object1 is giving me, so yeah, so you can see we are able to call these methods uh, this all methods. Okay, if we define another methods, okay, so we are calling these methods by defining into a single interface. So this is what is calling polymorphism. Okay, so we are calling these methods by just telling that it can fly by this single interface, that uh, that give me the object one, the ostrich, what a method is it has in this ostrich class. Okay, so we can also call this right object one dot fly, or object one dot swim. Okay, we can call this, and we can also uh, write like object dot fly, or object dot swim. Okay, so instead repeating the same methods again and again, so this is a problem, right? So we should not repeat the same codes again and again. So we are going to define this interface, the methods we need, okay, from here. So we are going to define those methods into a common interface, and we are going to call that, so that it's get easier and the code just makes some sense and not repeating every time we use it. So that's why we have this interface in here. So this is called polymorphism. So we should not repeat every time when we call these methods. Okay, so we are not going to repeat the same thing again and again. So that's why we are going to create this interface. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. So this is what is polymorphism means. So I think you have an idea now. So I will see in the next video.